Affiliate marketing. Introduction. Unveiling the world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic and lucrative digital marketing strategy that empowers individuals and businesses to earn commissions by promoting products or services of other companies. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, its benefits, strategies, and how to get started. Chapter 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. 1. What is affiliate marketing? 1. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services of a company and earning a commission for each sale, click, or action generated through your referral. 2. Parties involved. Merchant, advertiser. The company that owns the product or service being promoted. Affiliate, publisher. The individual or entity promoting the merchant's products in exchange for a commission. Consumer. The person who purchases the product or service through the affiliate's referral. Chapter 2. Benefits of affiliate marketing. 1. Low startup costs. 1. Affiliate marketing requires minimal upfront investment. Affiliates can get started with little to no financial risk. 2. Passive income potential. 1. Successful affiliate marketers can generate passive income by earning commissions on ongoing sales from their initial promotions. 3. Diverse product range. 1. Affiliates can choose products from a wide range of niches and industries, allowing them to align with their interests and audience. 4. No product creation. 1. Affiliates don't need to create or manage products. They focus on marketing and driving sales. 5. Scalability. 1. As affiliates gain experience and refine their strategies, they can scale their efforts to promote more products and reach a larger audience. Chapter 3. How affiliate marketing works. 1. Finding affiliate programs. 1. Join affiliate programs offered by merchants through networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and more. 2. Generating unique affiliate links. 1. Upon joining an affiliate program, affiliates receive unique tracking links that identify sales generated through their referrals. 3. Promoting products. 1. Affiliates use various strategies like blog posts, social media, videos, and email marketing to promote products to their audience. 4. Tracking and measurement. 1. When users click on an affiliate link and make a purchase, the sale is tracked using cookies or other tracking mechanisms. Chapter 4. Strategies for successful affiliate marketing. 1. Niche selection. 1. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, ensuring you can provide valuable content to your audience. 2. Building an audience. 1. Focus on building a targeted audience through your blog, website, social media, or email list. 3. Content creation. 1. Create high-quality content that educates, informs, and engages your audience about the products you're promoting. 4. Transparency and trust. 1. Build trust with your audience by being transparent about your affiliate partnerships and providing genuine recommendations. 5. SEO and keywords. 1. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic and potential customers. 6. Social media marketing. 1. Leverage platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook to showcase products and engage with your audience. Chapter 5. Challenges and considerations. 1. Competition. 1. Affiliate marketing is competitive, so finding a unique angle or value proposition is essential. 2. Compliance. 1. Adhere to legal and ethical guidelines, including disclosing your affiliate relationships. 3. Product quality. 1. Promoting high-quality products contributes to your credibility and long-term success. 4. Continuous learning. 1. The affiliate marketing landscape evolves, so staying updated on industry trends is crucial. Chapter 6. Getting started with affiliate marketing. 1. Choose a niche. 1. Select a niche that interests you and has a potential audience. 2. Research affiliate programs. 1. Find reputable affiliate programs related to your niche. 3. Build a platform. 1. Create a blog, website, social media account, or YouTube channel to reach your target audience. 4. Create valuable content. 1. Produce high-quality content that educates and resonates with your audience. 5. Join affiliate programs. 1. Apply and get approved for affiliate programs that align with your niche. 6. Promote products. 1. Incorporate affiliate links into your content and promote products to your audience. 7. Monitor and optimize. 1. Track your affiliate performance and adjust strategies based on data. Conclusion: unlocking the potential of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a versatile and rewarding way to generate income online. By understanding the intricacies of this strategy, developing a strong foundation, and employing effective marketing tactics, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. Remember that patience, dedication, and continuous learning are essential for achieving sustained success in this dynamic and evolving field.